Please look at that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Áp kita lagi sama ni.
Good afternoon, my friends from the media. I am happy to announce that we have agreed. Mizoram delegation and Assam delegation have agreed to make a joint statement, which will be read out by 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗺, Secretary and Commissioner, Department of Border Protection and Development, Assam.
Thank you all. Joint statement agreed between the Assam delegation and Mizoram delegation. The government of Assam and government of Mizoram welcome and agree to take forward the initiatives taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and Honorable Chief Ministers of Assam and Mizoram to remove tensions prevailing around the interstate borders and to find lasting solutions to the disputes through discussions. The second point, the representatives of Government of Mizoram convey condolences for the loss of lives on 26th July 2021 and convey best wishes for a speedy recovery of those injured. Third point, both the state governments agree to maintain peace in the interstate border areas and welcome deployment of neutral force by Government of India in this regard. For this purpose, both the states shall not send their respective forest and police forces for patrolling, domination, enforcement, or for fresh deployment to any of the areas where confrontation and conflict has taken place between the police forces of the two states during recent times. This would include all such areas along the Assam-Mizoram border in the districts of Karimganj, Hailakandi, and Kachar in Assam, Mamit and Kolasip districts in Mizoram. Representatives of Government of Assam and Mizoram agree to take all necessary measures to promote, preserve, and maintain peace and harmony among the people living in Assam and Mizoram, particularly in the border areas. So this is the joint statement which has been executed.
Thank you, 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗺. Now we can have a few time for questioning.